guys, welcome back, and today I'll be talking about the S24 Ultra. This has become the talk of the town because of the price drop that it has seen on Amazon's Prime Day sale. This is one of the products which has seen a huge price drop. It was launched at around 1,30,000 rupees and S24 Ultra is now selling at 74,999. On top of that, if you have an Amazon ICICI Bank credit card, you will even get around 3,500 rupees of cashback as well. So effectively the price of this product will come down to 71,500 rupees, which is a crazy deal. And if you are in the market searching for an Android smartphone around 70 to 80,000 rupees, this is the best option. You will get 6 more years of software update. Even though this is a last year smartphone, S24 Ultra is way better than smartphones in that price range like Nothing Phone 3 or OnePlus 13. I have actually bought this smartphone not in the Prime Day sale, just one and a half weeks back. It's been almost 10 days since I've been actually using this smartphone, and this video is a very important video because on Amazon and on Flipkart there are few sellers who are actually selling pre-activated S24 Ultras. The warranty period would have been already started, the phone would have been used, and a lot of other practices have been used by certain sellers on Amazon and on Flipkart as well. I bought this product on Flipkart specifically, also had an open box delivery as well. I'll be showing you guys the obvious unboxing part of it, and later also I will be showing you guys how to check the warranty of your S24 Ultra to ensure you get a fresh box of this smartphone and not a pre-activated device. And also at the end of the video I'll be showcasing you guys some sellers and how to check the ratings of certain sellers on Amazon specifically, and how to make sure that you get a very genuine product and enjoy the smartphone usage experience. Let's get started. I just want to make sure that this device is not pre-activated, and hopefully we have the entire warranty of this product available. By the way, I had opted for the open box delivery from Flipkart. When the delivery person came, he opened the box right in front of me to make sure that this does not have some soap or some stone or something, right? So that's the only objective of that open box delivery. They will not allow you to check anything else. As you can see, the seal was opened in front of me. Seal that is present here also on the top and bottom surface, that was also opened in front of me. One of the important things that you need to know when you're buying these phones during the sale days at lower prices is it has to be made in India. So this is the indication, and it should say Indian SIM card only. As you can see, it has clearly mentioned over here it is Indian SIM card only. Okay, so this is the New Delhi address of Samsung, and also it is saying made in India. Okay, so these are the first important things that you need to know. And the color that I have bought is a titanium violet color. And also one more thing is it has been manufactured in May 2025. So it's a brand new manufacture as well. It's not like an old manufactured product or something. Okay, even today in 2025 this is actually a very good deal, and I got this product for somewhere around 77,000 rupees, and at that price this is actually a very good deal. I got some card offer from HDFC. The unboxing experience is pretty boring, guys, I would say, because flagship these days do not come with anything else in the box. As you know, Samsung and Apple does not have a charger or any other things. We just get this charging cable over here. So this is the charging cable. This device supports a 45 watt charging, and it has a 5000 mAh battery, as you guys already know. Comes with the SIM ejector tool. That is pretty much it in terms of the unboxing experience. There is nothing else that comes inside the box, which is pretty boring thing. This is the regional lock guide, which says that this product is made for India, and also governmental regulations and other things. Warranty and other information is present over here. It feels very satisfactory. And also one of the reasons that I did not opt for the S25 Ultra is because there is not much major upgrades that has happened on the S25 Ultra. That is one thing. And second thing is the S Pen does not have Bluetooth. That is one more thing. And for some reason, I did check it in the Samsung Experience store. For some reason, I like the flat edges of the S24 Ultra rather than the round edges of the S25 Ultra. Right? So the flat edges is something that I actually really liked it. So let me just quickly check if there is any damage on this product. Looks brand new. Everything looks brand new. This is the titanium violet color. It looks really nice. Now just turning on the smartphone. Okay, we have the Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox, that is written over there. Let's go ahead. We have 57% battery available. Let's go ahead and start English India. Let me set up manually later. Let's connect to a Wi-Fi network first. Google account has been added. Let me go ahead and accept it. I have signed into Samsung account. Now the important thing is, let's go to the settings of this device. There is a place where you can check your Samsung account details. There is an option called devices. Click on that and you can see your S24 Ultra that is present over there. And then there is an option of registered devices. Go there and there you should check the registration date. As you can see, it is registered on 5th July, which is the date where I unboxed and opened the phone for the first time. If the date you unbox the product for the first time and this registration date over here matches, that means this has not been unboxed before. Now let's go to the about phone section where you can find the IMEI address of your smartphone as well. You can check that and then go to status information. Here there is an information called uptime. If the uptime is exactly the same as the time of unboxing, that is also one way to check the smartphone has not been activated before. Now let's go to samsung.com where you can log in to your Samsung account and check for the warranty on their official website. So this is the samsung.com website. There I have logged into the warranty section, as you can see. Now you can go ahead and log in to your Samsung account via OTP or via using your Galaxy device as well. I'm logging in using my smartphone itself. Once I log in to this page, there is an option where you can see your products. Go there and scroll down and you can see product registration. As you can see, that product registration tab is present. Click on that and there your registered products would be present over there. And then just wait for a couple of minutes and it will load. As you can see, your S24 Ultra has been registered, and when you click on view more, here is the place where your entire details of this product registration will be clearly mentioned, and it successfully says that this product has a warranty till next year July. So this 100% confirms that this S24 Ultra is fully brand new, legit, and this has not been pre-activated before at all. So this is the point of confirmation that you need to take after you buy your S24 Ultra from the sale days or on Amazon or on Flipkart. And also on Google, you can check for IMEI details of any Samsung devices. You can go to your device and just take your IMEI information, just copy your IMEI number, and you can go to this website and check for IMEI details. This IMEI address has been flagged somewhere else, or other details can be checked on IMEI checker websites as well. So there are multiple free IMEI checker websites, or if you are having a paid IMEI checker website, that also can be used in order to check whether this smartphone has been activated before, or this smartphone was used before, was done a hard reset or something. All those details also can be checked using the IMEI checker website on Google. So that is also one more way of verifying whether this smartphone is under warranty and it is not pre-activated. In this section of the video, let's go ahead and check which are the sellers which are available on Amazon who are selling this S24 Ultra, and how do you check the reviews of these sellers. These are the top smartphones. As you can see, S24 Ultra is now selling at 74,999, and this is the smartphone itself. And with the Amazon ICICI Bank credit card, you will get somewhere around 3,750 rupees discount as well. As I was telling in the initial part of the video, you will get it at an effective price of 71,500 rupees. Now, the most important part here is you need to check the sellers. It will mention the seller name somewhere over here. As you can see, sold by Darshita Etel. Right, when you click on Darshita Etel, it will take you to the seller profile. Okay, so this is the seller profile, and you can see the seller ratings as well. So overall the seller ratings is 3.6 out of 5, and you can also see the reviews of the seller. As you can see, positive, all critical, all the seller reviews. In the last 1 month, what are the seller reviews you can see. Okay, in the last 12 months, what are the seller reviews you can see over here. Similarly, if you want to buy from some other sellers, right, so you can click on this option that is present over here, and other sellers that is selling this specific smartphone at this point of time is mentioned over here. Darshita Etel, and also there are smartphone suppliers. Usually, since this is the sale days, That is why the number of sellers is limited. But during other times when the sale is not happening also, I have seen this smartphone go down to the price of around 78,000 rupees. Okay, not only during the Prime Day sale, other times as well, you can actually see the smartphone selling at around 78,999 rupees. Okay, so this is where you can check the seller ratings, and basis the seller ratings, you will be able to identify whether they are a reputed seller and they are selling a good product for you which is not pre-activated or something. And also you can make a decision basis that. Okay, and also let's go to Flipkart. Although you cannot read the seller reviews on Flipkart, okay, so you can actually go ahead and see the ratings that is present for a specific seller on Flipkart. This is where I bought the S24 Ultra from last week, and I got it around 78,000 rupees. On Flipkart, it is sold by this seller, Pixel Wave. You can see the ratings for the specific seller, which is mentioned as 4.8. You can click on see other sellers as well. As you can see, there is Pixel Wave for 81,000 rupees. It is available from certified sellers at 82,000. It is available from Flash Store Commerce at 1,20,000 or whatever. Although Flipkart doesn't allow you to read the review of a specific seller, right? So you can just check the ratings of a specific seller, which is probably controlled by the backend. You can't rate a seller on Flipkart. So that is how you can check the seller ratings on Flipkart and also seller ratings plus reviews on Amazon. So basis this, you can make a better purchasing decision. The reason why this becomes important is when you are paying above 70,000 rupees of your hard-earned money, you should have a peace of mind that you are getting a very genuine product which is not pre-activated and which has complete warranty. Although the S series devices, especially the flagship devices like the S24 Ultra or S25 series, S25 Ultra or something, and even the Z Fold and Z Flip series, the number of problems or number of issues that comes is usually less. But having said that, when you have a complete 1 year warranty from the date of purchasing the product, then that gives you that extra peace of mind, and also you will have that satisfaction that that you have paid for 75,000 rupees and you have got a genuine product as well, a genuine product which has complete 1 year warranty as well. So that is why this video becomes important, guys. Go ahead, check the seller ratings, and once you get a smartphone, once you go ahead and buy the smartphone, it gets delivered to your home. If you are buying from Flipkart, opt for that open box delivery and make sure that you are getting actual product itself and no stone or something. And if you are buying from Amazon, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and check the warranty by using that IMEI method which I just showed in this video. If you want to buy this product, I'll have the link in the description for both Amazon and Flipkart. So happy shopping. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more interesting videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching.